Hello everyone, this is Anuprati Devna, the trainee under Lexus & Company for the month of June. So as you have already watched the title below, what this video is all gonna be about, so let's get started. Now this story is about Mr. Abhinav Chaudhary, an Air Force pilot who died this Friday for the fighter jet crash in Meerut. Now each and every details makes the story more prominent, and hereby I will proceed with that. So Indian Air Force pilot Abhinav Chaudhary died on Friday after his MiG-21 fighter jet crashed into an open field at Langania, village of Punjab's Moga district. So particularly in the Punjab's Moga district, an fighter air jet got crashed, and it was Mr. Abhinav Chaudhary's fighter jet, which was named as MiG-21. In Meerut, a wailing father clutched into a wrinkled T-shirt belonging to his son. The T-shirt bears an Indian military college insignia, and for the father, this is the last of his memory. He was seated on the porch of his Ganganagar residence, surrounded by neighbors and family members who also wept in shock and disbelief. So his family members also wept in shock, and they found it very shocking of his death, because it was unnatural of just a plane crash during his practice or during his warm-up times. So basically each and every members of the family was already in shock. So the piece of clothing belongs to my son. So his father exactly said, as I'm reading, this piece of clothing belongs to my son, as he was clutching into his Mr. Abhinav Chaudhary's T-shirt, which belongs to his college times. So according to that clutched T-shirt, the feelings came out as, and the he said, this piece of clothing belongs to my son, and I will wear this because this is all that remains. I lost my lion son. Everything is over destroyed, said Satyendra Chaudhary, father of Indian Air Force pilot Abhinav Chaudhary, who died on Friday after his MiG-21 fighter jet crashed into an open field at the Langania village of Punjab's Moga district. Now these were the exact words of his father, Mr. Satyendra Chaudhary, who declared his son as a brave fighter by himself, by saying him as a lion son. Now Moga SP HQ Gurdeep Singh told the Indian Express, his body was found 2 kilometers away from the crash spot after an intense search of nearly 4 hours. His parachute was found open, and an SOS was also sent from his device to IAF, but he had died by then. He tried to land safely using the parachute, but apparently broke his neck and spinal cord. So because of the plane crash, he just broke his neck and spinal cord, and after 4 hours of searching and very deep investigations and everything, not investigation, I'll tell, it is basic searching, he was found dead. It was an unfortunate incident, as we could not save the pilot, but the jet crashed in open fields and there was no other loss of life, Singh added. Mr. Singh also added, the Indian Express reported that his plane crashed in an open field, so there was nothing sort of danger for any other members in the village or in that area. Neither anybody got hampered. Abhinav received his education in a Meerut school till class 7 and completed his further schooling in Dehradun thereafter. He developed a keen interest in the military at a young age and went on to pursue a course at Dehradun's IMA. He was trained at the Air Force Academy in Hyderabad and was posted at the Pathankot base from 2014 onwards. So he just graduated his education, his high school from Meerut and Dehradun, and he was, from his young age, he only took interest in military, so he fought and found his choice by doing so from since 2014. The squadron leader got married in December 2019. His family told. His wife Sonika recently returned from France after pursuing a course. So his wife, Mrs. Sonika Chaudhary, came from France after pursuing her course. Avinav is survived by his father, who earlier worked at a local builder's office. According to the family, Avinav had urged his father to quit his job as he was confident he would be able to sustain the family financially. The pilot also has a sister who is currently in the final year of her BTech course, while his mother is a homemaker. So basically, there were three family basic members before his wife. So it was his father whom he told that he can quit his job because he was now financially supportive of it and independent of it as well. Number 2, his mother was a homemaker, and number 3, he had a sister who was in the final year of BTech course, and he was taking in charge of her education fees. And also his wife, whom he thought as whom he actually cared much. He was supposed to come back to Meerut for leave, but I told him he would be safe there. He was very keen to come back, but it was I who insisted he should remain there. Early Friday morning, I received a call and they told me there was a crash and they are looking for my son. Hours later, they confirmed he is no more, Chaudhary told. So Mr. Satyendra Chaudhary told himself, rather blamed himself, that he, after telling his son, only stayed there because Mr. Avinav Chaudhary was interested in coming home and very keen on coming home. But Mr. Satyendra Chaudhary wanted his son to be very dedicated and stay there. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it all.